which you did with all scholars in India. So I really inspired from your speech.
Did you watch the debate with Shri Ravi Shankar?
Yeah, sir, I saw.
How did you like it?
Sir, it was very awesome. Sir,
Awesome.
Yeah, sir. I really inspired from that debate. And I convinced from that debate, and I need to revert myself.
MashaAllah. Brother, do you believe there is one God?
Yes, sir, I do believe.
Brother, do you believe that idol worship is wrong?
Yes, sir, I do believe that idol worship is wrong.
Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yes, sir, I do believe.
Brother, is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No, sir.
Are you doing out of your own free will?
Yes, sir, I'm doing all.
Inshallah, I'll just say it in Arabic and you can repeat it.
Yeah.
Ashhadu
Allah
ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah. MashaAllah, become Muslim, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannah, may He forgive all your sins, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He guide through you the other people more to the religion of truth.
Portugal played Uruguay, it was interrupted by a pitch invader who came in with an LGBTQ flag. On the front of his t-shirt, he had a Superman logo and Save Ukraine, and on the back, respect for Iranian women. This so-called hero has offended the very people that he's trying to defend, because in LGBTQ there are not two genders. In fact, there are over 100 genders. So the fact that he's got Iranian women on his t-shirt, that's transphobic, mate. LGBTQ is inherently contradictory, because two of the letters, G, gay, and L, lesbian, requires two men and two women. But if you don't even accept men and women, then how does this work, mate? He had a logo of Superman. Again, this is transphobic, because the LGBTQ community does not adhere to the fact that it's a man and there's a woman, mate. It should be super person. The feminists aren't going to be happy because he's promoting the patriarchy, that you need a man.
منو العامل اللي ببلد يخلي تليفونه ويمشي؟ شوف يخلي تليفونه وماشي ورايح.
My friend, one question. Why you leave your things here? Why you leave your things, your phone here?
Why you leave your phone? You're not scared?
No.
Why?
Why?
Not scared?
Because
Why? Maybe someone will take it.
your phone, bag, have
No problem.
Safe?
yes, sir.
Safe, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't feel afraid?
No.
Why? Qatar is safe, right?
Qatar, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
If you like our content, then please make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for latest updates. Thank you.